Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can format your text in Google Docs in just a couple of clicks. We'll be taking a look at the toolbar that you have here at the top and see what we can do with it. I have selected here the word introduction that I want to format. First thing that I want to do is change the font. I can do that by clicking here, and I have the list of fonts that I can choose from. Once I have selected the font of choice, it will be applied to the word. Now, if none of the fonts here match my expectations, I can always come here under the More Font section and select another type of font that I like. So here I'm going to select this one, Laura, and as I click on OK, the font will be applied to the word and will also now appear on my recent section of the font list. Next to that, I can change the font size. This is a very simple one. And then just over here, we have the typical formatting options. Putting a text in bold, in italic, underlining, and then changing the text color. I can change the text color by clicking here on the icon A and selecting the color of my choice. Now, if none of the colors here suit what I'm looking for, I can just click on it and click on the plus here. I can either scroll through the different colors, or I can add as well the code of the color that I want to apply. I can also go ahead and highlight if I want, so I can highlight the color here. Again, I can either choose from a color palette or add a custom color if I want to. Right next to that, you'll find the possibility to insert a link. So by doing that, you just click there. You can insert the link, and you can also select the text that will be displaying the link, let's say. So that's something you can do. Adding comments is not really part of formatting, but it's something that we definitely recommend you to do when using a Google Doc. Now, we have an extensive video of how to add comments, so go ahead and check that out if you want more information. Adding pictures is definitely a part of how to make your document alive. So to add an image, you can click here on this picture, on this icon, and you select the picture based on the source of the picture, right? So you can upload from your computer, the web, Google Drive, Google Photos with a link, and you can also activate your webcam to take a picture. I'm going to show you how to search the web. I'm going to search the web here, and I can go ahead and search for any keyword. When you search the web, you're actually doing a Google Images search, which makes it so practical to do this search within the document. Now, I'm going to search for the word beach. I want to insert this picture, and it's just as simple as that. Now, we have another video entirely dedicated on how to add and edit pictures on Google Docs, so go ahead and check that out if you want more information about how to add and edit pictures. Next to that, you can choose how to align your document, right? Your text. So you can align to the center, to the center, to the right, or you can just justify it. I'm going to keep this one here. Then you have the options of choosing the line spacing. So I'm just going to select this paragraph here. And as I click on the line spacing, I can choose the different options here. You can double it so you have plenty of space in between. You can do a custom spacing as well. So there are a couple of options here that you can apply to your document. Adding a numbered list is the icon that you see right next to it. You can add here different types of numbering that are available here in this document. You can choose from 6 options in Google Docs and play around with those if you want. So here I'm just going to click on it. And as I do a backspace and an enter, I see that I have the options to have the number 1, 2, and 3. And as if I do a tab movement here on my keyboard, I have the indent sort of numbering that appears based on my selection. So here the first numbering is a number, then it's a small a, small b, and then etc. So you can go ahead and play with that by inserting here numbered lists. Bulleted lists is what you can find next. So let me just demonstrate here in this section. Actually, there are 6 other bullet points, bullet images that you can choose from. And as I do a back and then an enter, I have that bullet appear again in my document. If you want to change your bullet, you just do a right click on the bullet and you'll see that you have more options. So more options appear here, but when you click on more bullets, you have all the different types of arrows and icons that you can choose from. So that's another option here to tailor your document. Last but definitely not least is how to do an indent or how to increase and decrease the indent. So you have these icons here at the top that you can use to do that indent movement. And then to erase any type of formatting, you just go ahead and select that word or that paragraph, and you click here on this T with a bar. That means that all the formatting will be cleared out and you'll retrieve the initial sort of state of the word that you have right now. That is how to do some basic formatting in Google Docs. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know. Bye.